with this, it's a wrap for data imputation also. So now let's get back into our navigational map of additional category and see where we have reached so far. So far we have completed the data reduction techniques. Here we have seen sampling, aggregation, dimensionality reduction methods. Then we moved on to the data transformation. Here we have seen normalization, standardization, log transformation, and data encoding. Various methods of data encoding also we have seen. Once that is done, then we jumped into outlier detection. In outlier detection, we have seen G-score method, interquartile range method, box plot method, and Mahalanobis distance method. So once we have finished with outlier detection, then we jumped into data imputation. In data imputation, we have seen mean, median, mode imputation, and forward, backward fill imputation, regression imputation, k nearest neighbor imputation, and hot tech imputation. And after that, dropping out columns which have more than 60% that imputation, and an imputing nan with 0 or unknown or null, and dropping off the row. Okay, dropping of the row. So these are few more methods we have seen to handle the missing values. So with this, it's a big wrap. It's a big wrap up for the additional category. We are completely done and dusted with the additional category. So now let's get into the main map and let's see where we are. So if you see the overall comprehensive overview of descriptive statistics, in descriptive statistics itself where we are, so descriptive statistics were grouped into three categories. One is organized data, summarized data, and additional category. Most of the techniques I have covered in this three sections. So we are done with organized data or organizing data. In this we have seen data sorting, data categorization, data tabulation, data visualization. Then we moved on to summarizing data. In summarizing data, we have seen measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, measures of shape, percentiles, quartile, decile, and then measures of association such as standard deviation and variation, covariance. Okay. Then once these two are done, then we moved on to the additional categories. Here we have seen data reduction, data transformation, outlier detection, and data imputation, and few methods on how to handle missing values. With this, it's a descriptive statistics is done. We have seen introduction to statistics where we have covered sample, population, types of variables, types of data, levels of measurement. Then we moved on to the types of descriptive statistics. In this, we have seen organizing data, summarizing data, and additional category. Using all these techniques, all these methods, we will do exploratory data analysis, which is the first step of the data science modeling or the first stage of data science project. So with this, it's a big wrap for descriptive statistics, and I will see you in another course, that is intuitive sampling for you course.